This video will help you find the angles of a triangle. Remember, all the angles of a triangle have to add up to 180 degrees. So in the first example, it says find the missing angle. So if I add R with 46 and 67, that has to equal a total of 180 degrees. Combining like terms on the left-hand side, 46 plus 67 is 113. That then has to equal a total of 180. And now I do my inverse, subtract 113. I get the value of R is 67. Looking at our next example, determine the measures of the unknown angles in this figure. So it's quite an interesting figure. Looking at the left part of the figure, I have a triangle. So if I add together the angles inside the triangle, so 42, 85, and W, that amount has to equal 180. Again, combining like terms on the left-hand side, it's 127 plus W equals 180. Do my inverse work, subtract 127. I get W equals 53. W and X are supplementary. So if I add together 53 with X, I get 180. So 53 plus X equals 180. So I would subtract 53. I get the value of X is 127. So even though it's not labeled with a letter, I'm going to mark the third angle in the second triangle with the letter. Let me call it B. So X and B are supplementary, and also B and W are vertical. So that means the value of B is 53 degrees. Remember, vertical angles are congruent. So now that I know that, looking at the second triangle, if I add 53, 88, and Y, that has to equal 180 because they're angles in a triangle. Using my calculator to combine like terms, 141 plus Y equals 180. Do my inverse work now, subtract 141. We get the value of Y is 39 degrees. Looking at our last example, determine the values of the unknown variables. Quite a lot of things going on here. I'm going to start with the left rectangle. These are angles inside a triangle. So if I add them up, I know that total it has to be 180. So now I have to combine like terms. X plus 3x plus x becomes 5x. 7 minus 18 is negative 11. Minus 9 becomes minus 20 equals 180. Do my inverse. Add 20. I get 5x equals 200. Then divide by 5. I get x equals 40. Using that now in the second triangle, x plus 21 becomes 61 degrees. X plus 17 becomes 57 degrees. So now to find the value of y, I would add together 61, 57, and y gives me a total of 180. Using my calculator to do that adding work, it's 118 plus y equals 180. Do my inverse, subtract 118. I get the value of y is 62. Hope this video helps. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.